Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your YouTube recap not showing up. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if your recap isn't showing up, it's usually because the feature isn't available for your account yet, or your watch history is turned off, or the app needs updating. So now here are the best ways to fix it. So I'm going to start with the most common fixes first. So we need to first go ahead and update your app. So go hit your Player App Store, click on search, look for YouTube, and then make sure your app is up to date. If it isn't, go ahead and click on the update button. Now, fix number 2 is to turn on your watch history. So go ahead and open up your application, and then go ahead and click onto the U button on the bottom right hand corner of the page. Then click onto the gear icon, then click onto manage all history. Then from here, just make sure your YouTube history is turned on. Now, by doing that, click onto the top option here and make sure that is turned on. If it says on, you're good. Now, some yearly recaps are available only through YouTube Music, especially music listening statistics. So go ahead and open up. If you haven't got the YouTube Music, go ahead and download YouTube Music. Go ahead and enable that. Then sign in with the same Google account. Then look for the recap banner on the home screen. Now, the last fix here is to go ahead and clear the app cache. So to do that, click and hold down YouTube, click onto I. This is for Android users only. Go down, click onto usage, mobile data. Now where it says here, not usage, sorry, we need to click on the storage, click on clear cache. And then from there, a simple restart is another good option we can try. So that's going to fix temporary app glitches. Now, if you're still not seeing it, we just need to wait for the rollout. So some YouTube features are released gradually, even if others have access, depending where you reside, what location your account may receive the feature at a later date.